Derby Patrick, and this is the door knock. I'm going to put it in my pocket here. Very technical stuff going on there. Going there. You better pay me. Please on the greetings, sir. Sorry, I was just doing I was doing something with my mates. It was a dare.
What? Can we start again?
Mate, I was just, it was a dare. No, it was actually a dare.
Right, let me just call the police.
Dude, I'm actually joking, it was just a dare. I wasn't.
Where are your mates?
They're just on that. I didn't mean to offend you at all. It was just a dare.
Some guy coming in and insulting me at the front door.
I didn't want to insult you. It's an actual dare. I'm actually really sorry. I didn't.
Right, what's your name?
Box.
That's my mate. Don't get it down. I'm not having someone coming up.
No, I'm so sorry.
You might learn a lesson. What's your name? Right, I'm sorry. What's your name again?
Hold on.
No, what's your name and address? What's your name and address?
I don't want a boat. I don't have an address. I used to deliver your paper.
Yeah,
I used to deliver your paper.
I know it. Did your mum and dad got the phone?
Yeah, I didn't want to. I'm sorry.
Calm down.
I didn't mean to offend you or anything.
Well, you have.
What have you done?
I didn't.
What have you done?
Yeah, you're absolutely stupid.
I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry.
Hold
I
on.
just didn't want to. I didn't want to offend you or anything. I was just.
So why have you come here? Why have you done it?
They dared me to.
Why this house?
Because they just asked me to do around the house.
Yeah. So hold on.
I didn't. No,
Is your mum got the ball?
I went to do it to somebody else.
Is your mum got the ball?
Hold on a minute.
Is your mum got the ball?
Yeah.
Yeah, you did the ball. Yeah. Okay then.
Wait, can I talk to my mum?
No, it's okay, sweetheart. Don't do it again.
I'm sorry.
I know who you are, and I know who your mum is.
I'm actually really sorry.
Yeah, okay.
Off you go.
Be careful what you're doing.
Just don't do it again.
Yeah, what you're doing. Okay.
You're a dickhead. You nearly got me arrested, you prick. He just pulled me inside his house and said that he was going to arrest me. Yeah, he said that he was going to... You're a prick. No, I was fucking shaking. No, they know my mum.